All right, Matthew here from Tango Man Tactical, and we want to thank our sponsor today, Battalion Ammunition. Thanks Sean and the guys for some free ammunition to shoot today at the range. Sean is a former, inactive, let me put it that way, Marine who fought in Fallujah. So give those guys a look, battalionammunition.com. Real great people to work with. Talk to him personally, so give them a look-see. What we've got here, my cousin has a Sig Rattler. It's in 5.56, and it does have a binary trigger on it. Folks, you're not going to get the true sense of how loud that is, but I've got ear pro in, and I think I've just lost like 10 decibels of hearing. But anyways, God bless.